End the year on a high note by making extra revenue this holiday season, starting right now. Just download the One-Click Upsell app if you haven't already, and click on Ezra's Black Friday upsell recipe to launch your own holiday upsell funnel in time for Christmas. This high-performing holiday funnel comes complete with 3 high-converting upsells, and it's one of the most successful funnels from Black Friday 2023. By copying Ezra's Black Friday funnel recipe, you can quickly create a universal pre-purchase, post-purchase, and thank you page upsell in just a few clicks. And these 3 upsells will work for every customer, regardless of what they're buying. The first upsell in the recipe is a multi-product pre-purchase offer that gives customers the chance to add up to 5 different items to their cart before purchase. The second upsell is a dynamic post-purchase offer that changes and adapts based on the items inside your customer's cart. You can customize and prioritize which offers they see, so every upsell feels like a personalized recommendation for your shoppers. The third upsell in the funnel is a limited time offer that appears on your thank you page. This was the highest performing upsell offer for Black Friday 2023, and when you add this post-purchase offer to your Shopify store, you can also add it to your Shop app storefront in a single click too. Just flip the in-app switch and your customers can add those last-minute items to their order after their initial payment has been processed. It only takes a few minutes to launch these 3 easy upsells on your store, and you can make more money from every holiday shopper starting today. In fact, the average one-click upsell user adds an extra 10 to 15% in total revenue as soon as they set up the app. And with Ezra's Black Friday recipe, you can launch a winning holiday funnel faster than ever. If you're not a one-click upsell user yet, then make the most of your Christmas rush by starting your free 30-day trial today at Zipify.com. If you are already using OCU, please help us to connect with other store owners like you by leaving us an honest review in the Shopify App Store. I'm Brittany. Thanks for watching.